Hi, Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I will be making turkey cornbread casserole. This dish is really special. It dates back in the 80s when Mom was working for the Merv Griffin show and prepared it for Mr. Merv Griffin himself. The recipe and the link to the products you see here will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor. Click that like button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to our Little House of Beans. I'm ready to make this turkey cornbread casserole. It's no fuss, super easy. Let's cook.